Oh, today is the day before the marathon, and I'm getting a little nervous. Well, I've been nervous all along, but we watched the half marathon participants this morning, and it must have been awful because it was really, really cold, and worst of all, it was raining. And so these people, they had to run the whole way in the rain. Well, so tomorrow it's going to be better because tomorrow is supposed to be dry, still cold, so that will be a big challenge. The waiting area, you have to wait about, we leave here around 3:30 in the morning, take the buses, and then the marathon, so we get there at whatever, 3:45 or so, and the marathon only starts at 5:40. So do the math, that's 2 hours of waiting in the cold outside. And that's where Jim comes in, because Jim is going to wait at mile 4, and you better be there, and he'll take my clothes from me that I use as warm-up. Maybe I have a little backpack or something, because I'll warm up very quickly after that. So once this transaction has been done, I think I'm good to go, all the 26.2 miles, and I'm excited.